Welcome back to another episode of Grown with Lala's Crop. So today I'm replacing the wood, you guys. Actually surprised that it still kept the frame, so that's good. We're not losing too much soil, but ooh, I'll put it over. Oh my goodness, it fit right. Look at that. All right, so I basically just have to fill in, or we're just gonna till the soil though, and see how that fills it up. And if I need to add any additional soil, I'll do that. But we will be tilling the soil. Now I know that like a lot of people out there have their opinions about no dig versus dig. This year I will have to do the dig method, you guys, because yeah, my soil is pretty compacted, especially this one. Like, look at these roots. They are like, let's dig down a little deeper. Yeah, see how this knats up like this, you guys? That's nothing but roots just knotted up together. I was a new beginner. I didn't know about, the importance of soil at the time. So, the longer you garden, the more information you learn. That's the reason why I'm making this video today, so that hopefully maybe, this video can help out another new beginner gardener, or maybe someone who just doesn't know the importance of soil. So yeah, so that's the main reason why this year we are going to till the soil. And I'm hoping that, in the near future, we can just do the no dig of just adding compost and, more trace minerals back into the soil without having to disturb the beneficial microorganisms that are already down into the soil. So that's the reason why a lot of people do the no dig method, because they already have like earthworms possibly down here, some other beneficial insects, microorganisms already down in here, doing their work. And so if you dig down in here and expose them, you of course, you're killing the ecosystem that's going on down into the soil. So that's the reason why a lot of people are choosing to do the no dig method. But for right now, you guys, I have to I'm gonna have to do the I don't have to till this soil because it's really compacted. I still have roots in here that has not decomposed. This is the option that I'm going with, so please respect the option that I am choosing to get my soil in better conditions. So you guys know that we added the flower raised bed, and technically this side is the flower raised bed too. We just did not have it up because we only had one piece of wood when we cut the dimensions for this raised bed. So I was like, well, we just might as well just connect it, make it long. So my husband, he bought a new tool, you guys. He already has this tool for weeding, and so it's a great thing that now companies are getting smarter with just allowing people to add attachments. So technically this is an attachment of a cultivator. This is a cultivator attachment, so that we can till things like this, the grass. So now I don't have to worry about getting in here with a shovel or a weed whacker to get all this weeds and grass out. We're gonna try this and see how it does. Now we should have, done it before we did the frame, but we did the frame first, you guys. So it is what it is. Okay, so my husband's gonna go ahead and do his thing. I'm gonna just stand back here and just record. Okay. All we gotta do is just shovel this out and kind of make it even so that I can put the weed barrier down. Ooh, look at the little grasshopper. Hope you can see it. Look. Oh, he just popped that. I remember when I was young, I used to catch the grasshoppers like this. Where did he go? And pick them up. Okay. Got him. Come on, little grasshopper. Hey, we got the grasshopper, you guys. Okay, he's gonna probably pop off. There you go. Today is the day that we are going to till the greens down into the soil, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, let me put my glove back on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of here. Now, if you guys notice that around here we have a little bit of spaces because we had to replace this raised bed. My husband did an excellent job measuring off some extra inches so that we could keep this soil in here as opposed to having to dig out the soil and possibly put some new soil down in here. Even though I probably still, like, you know, top it off with some new soil, but at least I won't have to buy as many bags. These are mustard greens that I grew as cover crops. Right now I'm just going to take them out of the raised bed, try to keep some of the soil. All right, but I want to just take these roots out of here. Okay, one out, a couple more to go. I don't remember how many I put in here. All right. Alright. If you want to try to get... I mean, my husband's going to till it though, so let me stop worrying. Woo! Woo! Alright. So what I'm going to do is just cut those stems off and see how natted this is. It's that, yeah, you don't want to grow plants that's something like this. Okay, I have basically removed, oh, see, look at this, look at this, look at this. I have basically removed the mustard collards, which I was growing as cover crops, and I'm also growing the impact forage collards. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to use a shovel, pick them up, and then top them down there. And then my husband's gonna just till it down. The reason why I grew the mustard collards and the impact forage collards is because I had nematode damage on my tomatoes in this raised bed. So trying to prepare the soil for spring. But I'm also growing varieties that are resistant towards them. So you got double the protection. So I think we should be good. I'm gonna also do the same for this raised bed too. My husband is going to till this area vertically now. Alright, you guys, so I have already started to chop up the mustard collards, as you can see, and we are going to till this down so that, you know, just in case they have not decomposed by the time I'm ready to plant in here, they will still be down like 3 to 4 inches deep. So all right, so we got that chopped up. I'm going to show you how we till these mustard collards and forage collards down into the soil. Taking off the root part, and then I also cut off this bottom part right here because I feel like that would take a while to decompose. So take that off, and now I'm just going to chop up this right here. I can smell the mustard collards, you guys. And so eventually I'm going to spread this all around, you guys. I'm going to mix the mustard collards and the forage collards over here in the background. I have chopped up the mustard collards. Now I'm going to like kind of spread it out. Okay, so you guys, as you can see, I am pulling up the forage collards and just turning them down into the soil like so. And we're going to just till that down in there. Trying to not get too much soil, but it is what it is. All of this was grown as cover crops. All right, you guys, so I'm coming in to help my husband a little bit since it's a little harder to get these sides. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. So yes, we are disturbing, you know, the macro and micro organisms that are down in here, but like I said, it needs to be done, you guys. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video showing you how I removed the cover crops that I was growing over winter, which were the mustard collards and the impact forage collards. And, you know, of course, I chopped down the mustard collards, and then I just topped over the impact forage collards down into the soil. And so now we have cultivated all of those collards down into the soil. We did say that we were going to do like 3 to 4 inches, but it's just this soil was so compacted that it still kept its structure even around like the edges. So we decided to go a little deeper. And as you can tell, look at how much looser this soil is. I am satisfied with how loose the soil is now. And like I said, everybody has their opinions on dig versus no dig. For me, I needed to do the digging option because I did not know as a new beginner the importance of soil. Maybe, you know, every 2 years we can just heal the soil and just do like the no dig method and just, you know, try to keep the macro and the micro organisms down in here. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that red notification button below so that you can get notified once I post a new video. As always, you guys, happy gardening. Peace.